Every place I've talked to, they're all looking for machinists. Even places that I haven't worked, I get emails all the time. We need a machinist, can you come in? And they can't find anyone. Everyone's retiring, they don't have any new people. I've gotten a lot of job offers because of my machining background. They like that someone already has the knowledge, it's a good base to build off of, and they don't have that. So this is a really good way to get a job if you're going into the trades. It's a great way if you're going to college to get a really good internship and really get a head start in wherever your career's going to go. I would really recommend doing it. I've gotten a lot out of it. And the friends that I have that maybe didn't go to college, they're getting a lot out of it now. And they're really ahead in their careers compared to people that didn't get this background.
Really, in this trade, it's as far as you want to take it. This trade could be sitting at a machine all day pushing a button, or you can be the person making the machine move that certain way. Me, I like to go as far as I can. If I can make that machine move and make everything better to make the speed of the manufacturing quicker, why wouldn't I? Because that's what pays the bills and hopefully for me buys a house. Other than that, it's as much as you make it.